how to pronounce the numbers 100 to 1000 with an Australian accent. 100, 100. 121. 200. 221. 300. 400. 500. 600. 700. 800. 900. 1,000 or 1,000. Australian accent tip. We use the comma for thousands, not a full stop, dot, or period. You can find other lessons on our Australian accent channel. Would you like to request a lesson? Send us a message on our Patreon page. You'll find a link in the caption below. Please like and subscribe. We love having you here.